Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of Prime English. Today we are going to study the phonics junction, the grammar junction and the writing skills of lesson number 6, crayons. Let us first study the phonics junction. Millie's friend borrowed the crayon from Millie to color a star. In the word star, the letter S is followed by the letter T. Children, let us look at some more words that the letter S is paired with another letter. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter L are slide, slip, slope, slate, slant and sleep. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter M are smooth, smell, smile, smoke, small and smart. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter N are snake, snail, snow, sneeze, snack, snore. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter P are spoon, speak, spice, spit, spill, spoke. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter T are stage, stand, star, stone, step, still. The words which contain the letter S followed by the letter W are swim, sweet, swallow, sweat, swan and switch. Children, look at the pictures given in your textbook on page number 61. Here we have to fill in the correct letter pairs to complete the words. The first picture is that of a slide. So the answer is S-L-I-D-E, slide. The second picture is that of a person snoring. So the answer is S-N-O-R-E, snore. The next picture is that of a swan. So the answer is S-W-A-N, swan. The next picture is that of a smiley. So the answer is S-M-I-L-E, smile. The next picture is that of a switch. So the answer is S-W-I-T-C-H, switch. The next picture is that of smoke coming out of a chimney. So the answer is S-M-O-K-E, smoke. The next picture is that of a spoon. So the answer is S-P-O-O-N, spoon. The next picture is that of a stone. So the answer is S-T-O-N-E, stone. The last picture is that of a girl who is smelling flower. So the answer is S-M-E-L-L, smell. Now we will study the next point, the grammar junction. Let us read the lines from the poem given in your textbook on page number 62. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke in two. Children, look at the word and in these lines. And is a joining word. Joining words are used to join words and sentences. Let us look at another example. Rimi likes to eat biscuits. She also likes to drink grape juice. We can join the sentences using and. Like, Rimi likes to eat biscuits and drink grape juice. Other joining words are after and before. For example, you count before you add. You write after you read. Don't you? Let us look at few more examples. The first example is I will read the question, I will write the answer. We can join these two sentences with before, as I will read the question before I write the answer. Before is a joining word. The second example is I eat my breakfast, I brush my teeth. We can join these two sentences with after, as I eat my breakfast after I brush my teeth. After is a joining word. Children, look at the pictures given in your textbook on page number 63. Here we have to write the naming words for the pictures using the joining word and. One is done for you. The first picture is of a boy whose name is John, and next picture is of a girl whose name is Mary. So the answer is John and Mary. The second picture is that of a flower, and next one is that of a honeybee. So the answer is flower and honeybee. The next picture is that of a pen, and the next one is that of a book. So the answer is pen and book. The last picture is that of a girl, and next one is that of a dog. So the answer is girl and dog. Children, now we have to complete the following sentences about your routine using before or after. The first sentence is I take a bath dash I eat my lunch. The answer is I take a bath before I eat my lunch. The second sentence is I play dash I finish my homework. The answer is I play after I finish my homework. The next sentence is I listen to stories dash I sleep. The answer is I listen to stories before I sleep. The last sentence is I wash my hands dash I start eating my food. The answer is I wash my hands before I start eating my food. Now we will study the last point, the writing junction. Children, let us see what Millie writes about her best friend Gagan. My friend's name is Gagan. He is 6 years old. His favorite color is green. He likes to play football. His favorite snack is pani puri. Children, now it is your turn to write about your best friend. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentences given in your textbook on page number 64. It is for your homework. Did you get it? Okay, I hope that you all have understood the lesson very well. Read the lesson twice from your Prime English textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.